Snapper. Laki din ah.
You that's the one that you cut earlier, man.
Okay na, kayo mga pampano. Catch the shark. Cowdoy, you want that?
You have a grab hook?
Huh?
You have a grab hook?
Grab hook? No.
You have a grab hook?
No.
Well, my line not well if you out of this water. Huh? Net. No net. No net now work with me, huh?
Oh fuck. Shark big. I was thinking snapper.
No, not. I knew it wasn't a snapper based on how he was pulling.
That shark can eat, you know.
No, I know.
Whoa.
I don't have to play with that.
But the problem is, wow. Dali oh. Laki oh. Nakakain yan. No teeth? Maybe this is the one.
Maybe that's the one that you cut earlier, man.
Yeah, I see him on that one.
Ah, the hook here.
Yeah, that's your hook. That's my hook, right?
Yeah. No, it's two hook. Huh? Your hook is here inside, and mine is here outside. Yeah, you see. Ah. So guys, kain to guys oh. Buhay pa, pating. First time na nakahuli ng pating. Gabi na. Kaya dito, gabi na. Ito pa ang huli namin mga isda. Malakas ah, nakarelease ah. Guys oh, malaki-laki ata ito. Malaki nga. Baka makuwala. Snapper. Yun, snapper. Snapper guys, snapper. Kadali kami snapper. Oh, laki. Laki boy. Snapper oh.
Laki ng kanya.
Oh, kanya snapper. Guys. Snapper yung nadali namin, snapper. Alumin.
Snapper.
Snapper. Guys. So, maliwanag. Snapper. Laki din oh. Natin doon. Kasama yan. Dali oh. Nakahuli na kami ng pating. Nakahuli pa kami ng snapper. Ha? Yung pating buhay pa. Kumakatay. Yun. Yeah, same like yours. Ayan pa yung pating, guys. Gabi na. Ayun. Huli na naman guys. Daw natin. Snapper naman siguro yan. Ay hindi, pampano. Maliit. Hindi na, pampano. Pampano guys, pampano. Yung trabaho namin dito guys, sa isla. Pampano din yan. Sarap yan. Magkano yan sa buhay. Dali. nakadali rin sa akin. Puta, lumaylay. Lumaylay sa atin guys. Lumaylay. Yun, huli na naman, pampano. Maliit nga lang guys. Pandagdag sa ulam. Oh, kasi may huli. Pandagdag sa ulam. Atay na. Nakadaghan na may sudaan, may pating pa mi. Oh. Sus, okay na kayo ni. Okay na kayo mga pampano. Ha? Ah, nagulo? Yun lang, nagulo. Nakahuli nga, ginulo naman.